What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to show you top five platforms or applications where you can do online teaching. And of course, taking in the top five spot is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very powerful website that you can utilize in order to showcase your skill set as a professional, whether in any field, and of course, when it comes to teaching. There are actually posts here looking for teachers. There are also groups that you can join. For example, this one, Online Professionals Teaching College Online and Hybrid. So all you have to do is click and join if you're interested in joining, but it's publicly listed. So once you have um, joined the group, or once you have LinkedIn already, you can now post your credentials through your uh, through your account. You can post your certifications as a teacher. What languages do you teach? Do you teach English? Do you teach Mandarin? Do you also teach Japanese or Nihongo? So you can all put it there and you can back it up with your certifications. That way, many more employers would be interested in hiring you. So, for example, here, you can also search for job listings. If you click on jobs right here, and then type in skill, you can type in language teacher, and you'll find here different types of language teaching. So you have here English teachers, you have AI English writing evaluator, you have ESL teacher, English teacher, English second language teacher. So there are a lot from different companies that hires English teachers. So LinkedIn is one of the most credible sites to use. But of course, you need to have a powerful record or a powerful background in order for these companies to hire you. Next up on our list is Skillshare. So Skillshare is actually very interesting. Not only can you showcase your skills in language here, you can also showcase your other skills. So for example, if you have skills in music, in arts, in marketing, or in social media, and you want to use that to teach, then definitely Skillshare may be the one for you. So if you search here, language teacher, or just simply language, you can see that there are different digital products or sessions posted here, and you can also see the number of students. So from here alone, you can already analyze which languages sells the most and how you can better approach the market. So as you can see here, for this one, this is for computer language, so computer science, and as you can see, it offers five classes. Here you have HSK or Mandarin books for sale. That's for $9. And here you have English language or the language of line drawings. And here you have a French language right here. You can already see the total language hours here, or the total learning hours rather here as well. So all you need to do is to, of course, have an account, sign in with them either with Google, Facebook, or Apple, and you're good to go. You can already sell your services or your skill sets in the market using this platform or using Skillshare. Next up on our list is Udemy. Udemy is similar with the next application, which is Khan Academy. So they are more on teaching, really. They teach different classes, from history classes to language classes. So the best part about this is you can plan your own curriculum. They can help you in planning your own curriculum. They have this dashboard that helps you keep things organized. So afterwards, after planning your curriculum, you can now record your videos right here. And then, of course, you can launch your course. And the best part about this is the students will come to you on their own. Similar to that with Skillshare. So you don't pick the students pick you. So of course, the better and the more engaging the lessons are, the more students you will have. And the best part is this is accessible to over 180 countries. So it's quite accessible. It has over 73 million students. So there is a lot of potential in terms of market or in terms of selling wise. So yeah, teach your own way, and of course, be as creative as you can in order for you to get more students. Speaking of getting more students, another application on our list is Khan Academy. Khan Academy has actually been a growing online teaching platform and learning platform for students and teachers alike. You can get 100,000 practice questions here, and at the same time, their content are usually trusted content. That's because most of Khan Academy's library are backed by experts. And at the same time, it's personalized learning. So what you'll be teaching the student is based on their current learning level and based on their mastery level. At the same time, you can provide some actionable insights on your students using real time insights. So teachers can easily use real time student data to see skill mastery levels. So here, the difference between Skillshare and Khan Academy is that you can actually provide or interact with your students more. And with this, you can provide them with insights on what they need to work on, what they need to improve on, etc., etc. And you can give them assignments and tests as well. So yeah, this is definitely a growing platform with many teachers and many students using or utilizing Khan Academy. And of course, on top of our list is Upwork. Upwork, yes, it's for freelancers, but the best part about Upwork is it already has a lot of potential customers and a lot of professionals. So as you can see here, if I search English teacher, these are just some of the jobs available online already. So the hourly budget or salary ranges from $10 to $20, which is not bad. You already have your project length here. You can see it here on the contract as well. And you can see if it's what level of mastery is needed. So as you can see, they need an intermediate. So they're looking for someone more experienced and who, of course, has a high value in terms of teaching. There are, of course, some beginner friendly jobs here that you can take. So here are some simple job opportunities available for beginners. So yeah, there are a lot of opportunities in Upwork. You just have to really be keen and a little bit of you need some patience when it comes to searching because of course the employers here are very meticulous. They want to hire the best employees that they can or freelancers if you will that they can because they do pay them in an hourly or in a task based basis. So yeah, those are our top 5 picks as to where you can teach skills, particularly language skills, online. We hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.